My dear students, today this is Mr. Ashok and today I am going to conduct the online class on the topic subject verb agreement. This topic is very much essential for everybody as it gives the knowledge to everyone that how the verbs will be used with the particular subjects and which of the subjects will agree with which of the verb. So in this regard, everybody must know the rules involved in subject verb agreement. The first and foremost rule is, or the basic rule is, singular subject always takes singular verb and plural subject always take plural verb. Example, singular subject like a book, a boy, an egg, a teacher, a school, or whatever the nouns which are countable, and when one number will be denoted, that will be really the singular subject, and the singular subject will take singular verb. Very similarly, plural subject like men, women, boys, girls, benches, schools, rivers, and many more. When any countable noun and that will be treated in many numbers more than one, then this noun will be considered as plural noun or this one will be considered as plural subject. So this one is the basic rule that plural subject always take plural verb. And the third one is uncountable subject. Uncountable subject, whatever the things which cannot be counted, like oil, water, sugar, land, or many more. Whatever nouns that will not be counted, they will come under the section of uncountable noun. And one thing you remember, that uncountable noun will be treated as singular number. Means singular verb will be used with uncountable nouns. But somewhere or in some cases, when the uncountable noun will be treated separately in the terms of separation, then it can be used as plural, and in that particular condition, plural verb will be used with sub-subjects. The examples will be given later on when other rules will be displayed. So here, like example, he is playing in the field. Means he is singular number and so is. That is also singular and this is implied with he. They plural number, are plural verb, so this are is used with they. And there is some sugar. Sugar is singular number and so is. Here singular verb that will be implemented, that will be applied with some sugar. So in this way, like there is a little water in this glass, and when this water is separately kept in another, like a few glasses of water, the water is separately kept in different glasses. In that condition, a few water of glasses are in this way. So when uncountable nouns will be kept separately, will be divided in several parts, several terms, several conditions, then plural verb may be used with all that. In this way, all these are the basic rules. Then after some more rules will be there to understand the rules of subject verb agreement. The first Ram and Sam are going to the market. Mrs. Prasad and Mrs. Amar are playing, are doing activities in the field. He and I are going to the market. You and he are doing the work. In such cases, when two subjects are joined together, then in such conditions, actually plural verbs will be used with them. So here one example is given to you. Another next, when two subjects together express one idea, similar verb is used. What are the two subjects? Like earning bread and butter. Here bread and butter are the two subjects, but the two subjects denote the one thing, that is the earning. That is the earning for life. So when the two or more than two subjects, that will indicate the similar thing, that express the one idea, then definitely similar verb will be used with that. So here earning bread and butter is essential for living. Then rule number 3. If the given nouns look like plurals, but they are in fact similar, then similar verb is used. So this is the fact that some nouns that appear plural, but in fact they are similar. Commonly, the students know that when s or es is used at the end of the word, at the end of the noun will become plural. Like boy, and if you will add s, this one will become their boys. Like girl, then s will be added to this, then this girls, this one will become plural. So very similarly, when s or es, like mango, when you will add there es, then this mango will become their plural. But this is the basic rule. But somewhere it is seen that the noun appears plural because of this s ending, the noun ending with s, that appears plural. But the fact is that this one is similar, like mathematics, like physics, like economics, or many more. So economics is my favorite subject. And then rule number 4 in the next video.